Alright, what's up guys? Today's video is going to be aquarium dividers for fish tanks. We were looking for something easy. This is a corrugated plastic. We're going to be using this with aquarium divider holders that are available on Amazon. I'll post a link on them, but first we will cut them out. So the pieces that I need are 14 and a half, 14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. So I just like to make my dots, and then you can line up your ruler with the dots. Stuff is very easy to cut. Watch your fingers. So that first piece was the 14 and a quarter, then we're gonna go 14 and 3/4. And that's the piece that we need right there. I'm going to fast forward a little bit and continue this at the store. Show you those aquarium dividers. And then now, this is the tank that we're going to divide because that's a blue diamond pair. These are the divider holders that we got on Amazon. Post a link on the description. You get a bag of, like, I think this is like a bag of 20 or something like that. Just click on the link and it'll show you what it is. And basically on this side we have the return, and then on this side, for the pair that's going to be on this side, we're going to have a sponge filter. And the nice thing about it is it just slides in. If you pull it apart, you slide it right in. Like that. Same thing on the other side. And then I wanted to do one more on the bottom. And then it's also good to have these on so that you can have water movement, or space for the water to go through. And then this was the kind of tricky part earlier, but you can bend it, but I think I have it going the wrong way. There you go. That's how it's supposed to be. That would be the bottom. And then 2 sides. And that right there is our aquarium divider. Could add more on the top, more on the bottom, but that's pretty much what it's gonna be for these guys. They're gonna be a breeding pair and we just need to confirm them. But that's it. That's the video on the DIY aquarium divider.